everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I found Miguel trending on Facebook after engakwazanga ukuzibamba wavele wangena phakathi kwezinhlalisuthu namakhosana. Today guys, ibandla lamaNazaretha had a peaceful march requesting South African government to allow them to go back to their normal life as the church, like going to Enhlangakazi mountain to pray. As we all know, every gathering more than a specific number in South Africa is not allowed due to COVID-19 regulations. Ibandla lamaNazaretha guys is known of respecting the Zulu culture and also following a lot of protocol. In their church, female, married, single and maidens bahlala ngokwahlukana, even their dress code is different. Ekhanda kuyathwala, umzimba uyavala. So ugirl bamcela uxolo esagida kamnandi. Imbono ke guys yahlukene. Some are blaming ugirl for ukungahloniphi imigomo yebandla, kanti abanye bathi ubaba bekufanele amiyeke agidele inkosi yakhe. Angazi ukuthi uthini owakho umbono ngale ndaba. Please comment below and share your opinion. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.